Oh, hey, party people. Hola, gente de la fiesta. Today we are in Buenos Aires, Argentina. We're in the Belgrano neighborhood of Buenos Aires. What's unique about this neighborhood is it is not touristy at all. This is where real Argentine people live, real Porteños from Buenos Aires. If you've seen Buenos Aires videos on YouTube, you're probably looking at videos of mostly the Palermo neighborhood. That's where I live. Palermo is great, but today I thought I'd show you what the real Buenos Aires looks like. To me, man, it's got some big city vibes, almost some New York City type energy. Buenos Aires is a big city, a huge city, and as you can see, it's just vibrant. And there's lots of activity, lots of people out on this beautiful fall day here in Buenos Aires. Remember, we're in the southern hemi, so fall is the opposite. Fall is April, May, June, or March, April, May. Not the other way around. That's right. There's a KFC in Buenos Aires, and a McDonald's, and a Burger King, and a Wendy's, and about 1 million beautiful women. I actually lived in Buenos Aires for a total of about 7 or 8 months. Great city. I was there in 2021, 2022 when prices were insane because of the dollar to Argentine peso rate. You could live like a king. Now it's not very good. It's, I would say, approaching US prices, but rent is much lower. You could get an Airbnb fully furnished on the short-term market in a great neighborhood, 1-bedroom apartment for about $1,000 US. What would that cost you in New York City? 4 grand? 5 grand? But everything else, food, hamburgers, steak, coffees, all that stuff is quite expensive. Like I said, not quite US prices, but not far off. You can see over to the right-hand side of the screen, there's 2 bus lanes. The buses have their own lanes in Buenos Aires, and because of that, they don't have to wait in traffic. So you hop on the bus. It's a lot like hopping on the metro. A great metro in Buenos Aires as well. I took the bus or the metro almost every day I was there. Great public transit, great way to get around. Great food in Buenos Aires. Everybody knows they have good carnes, good steaks, but they also have incredible hamburgers, empanadas, and a huge international restaurant cuisine scene, so basically anything you can think of. I highly recommend. I think you like. Big Italian culture too. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying with that comment. As you're watching this video, maybe you're thinking to yourself, man, I want to live like Matty Boom does. I want to travel and go abroad, spend 3 months here, 3 months there. Or maybe you want to relocate permanently. Well, lucky for you, I wrote a book called How to Leave America and Live Your Best Life Abroad. Should be a link to it on the screen right now. Go ahead and click that link if that's something you're interested in. I'll also drop a link to it in the description below. Maybe it's nothing, maybe it's not for you, but maybe clicking that link turns out to be the best decision of your life. This is a big park in the end of Belgrano, and that's about it for this one, guys. Hasta la próxima, chicos.